Um, this is Brian's car. He brought it to me a couple months back. I did all the maintenance on it. Like, you know, he went about things the right way. He did all the maintenance on it. I did an oil change, coolant flush, brake flush, and I put a Greddy Catback Exhaust. Now he's back. And what we have here, as always, PRL, sponsor me. Because all my videos are PRL this, PRL that. But we have a PRL, if you walk over here, Cold Air Intake with the street map housing, no tune required. Followed by PRL High Flow Downpipe, or catted downpipe, and a PRL Frontpipe or mid-pipe 3-inch. We're going to be installing it today. I'm going to take you guys through it. This is pretty easy to do, especially for me, because I've probably done it like, what, 10 plus times now.
Not here to talk shit, but it was not that easy. It took us 2+ hours. Maybe it's because he was tired, but it wasn't 2 seconds. Oh, I had a 5-up.
I mean, I didn't include my personal cars, and I can name everybody, but yeah. So it's late at night. I'm putting in OT on top of the OT I already put on. This is my dinner at Celsius.
The store, choke on the smoke. They tell me to quit, don't listen what I'm told. They help me forget that this world is so cold. I don't even know what I'm chasing no more. Tell me what I want, just keep searching on. It's never enough, cup after cup, blunt after blunt. I wouldn't get one if I could find a flaw. In the car, then I put it on my mama. And my bitch call, talking about some drama. I swear there ain't no time for women on a coma. They see the pussy or the karma. Man, I just wanna go flex. Gold on my teeth and on my neck. And I'm stone cold with the flex with the squad, and I'm smoking up a check. Man, I just wanna go flex. Gold on my teeth and on my neck. And I'm stone cold with the flex with the squad, and I'm smoking up a check.
Hopefully this one will get tight on me.
I get the shot.
You let me tore my ACL. I tore my ACL. So we took the stock intake box off. They're pretty easy. It's 2 10mm bolts. The lower portion, I'm gonna take it off when I take the skid plate underneath off, because I'm doing everything at once. I'm not only putting in the intake. Right now I'm taking off the heat shield for the downpipe. They're 12 mils. There are 2 on the sides. The one right under this pipe is kind of a pain to get to unless you have a gear wrench. It's funny. I delivered an SI today, and then I got another one dropped off the same day. You know, it was nice and loose, but I guess my finger strength ain't that strong. So. And I went too far. Never in my life have I loosened a bolt and seen sparks fly. I've done so many of these, and to this day, whenever I break one of these loose, I say a prayer. I be like, lavates las manos. Oh, I hate these. I hate these so much. All my SI owners, fuck this downpipe. I mean, this downpipe. Fuck this skid plate. Put it in drive, Terry. Well, shit.
Put it in reverse, Terry.
There you go, Terry. Put it in reverse, Terry. Put it in reverse. Oh, Lord.
Why you upset right now?
Brian, I love you. I love you. I love when you bring your car to me, but I swear to God, if you bring me this car back and it don't got a goddamn Honda filter on it, me's and you's gonna have some problems.
One of you betrayed the Empire.
Okay? I got these on stock on deck, pawn deck, alright? I'll give you one. I put it right in your cup holder. No bullshit. Put the goddamn OEM one on. The fuck is a CarQuest? I thought I was lying. Put it right in the center of his cup holder. That's it. Now you got an OEM one. Stop using the goddamn CarQuest filters. I'm tired. She said, well, that's too damn bad. You got all these cars to finish. I said, you know what? I just looked at her and smiled because I'm like, I didn't even think you know what you just referenced for. I swear to God, the son bitch that put this shit on, I hate you right now. Me.
Gotcha.
I went to that meet yesterday. Sebastian came up to me. He was like, holy shit, you're outside? Like, he said, I didn't think you had a social life. I was like, I don't know whether to be like
Offended,
or I was like, I was like, yes, I escaped from my slavery. I did. I'm outside.
It is now 5 o'clock in the morning, and Raph almost dropped it. Oh.
A little bit of anti-seize goes a long way. It helps me out. So I won't motherfuck your car. Right, Frankie?
I always make sure when I work on a car, I try to make it as dry as possible. So I put like RTV on boats.
Right. See these right here? These are your best friends. These.
You're my best friend.
Don't touch me like that. Unhand me.
I was just telling the people that you're my best. I'm not a peasant.
No, but these are your best friend. Every time I go on the forums and I hear about PRL downpipes, the welds are shit. Or 27-1 downpipes, they crack on me. The welds are shit. 9 times out of 10, you know why the welds broke on your downpipe? Right here. Because if you don't put these brackets on and you don't bolt the downpipe to the block, the downpipe is gonna flex with the flex pipe. That's what the flex pipe does. Especially if you don't got a solid rear motor mount. So put these on.
Oh my God, I thought it was about to drop on me. I ain't gonna lie, I got scared.
All right, now we're moving on to the PRL Cold Air Intake. The mid pipe and the downpipe are on. I just finished them. Frankie will get pictures or videos of them in the car. So the trick is, you see this?
I'm tired, I'm sorry.
Yeah, then you wonder why the fuck I wanted to swing at you.
I can't say that didn't hurt.
No.
You move this down, it's a 10 mil bolt right here, and then the rest are just clips. Raph, how you get the filter in? Well, look, if you look here, after I left this loose, because I still want to mock up everything. There you go. PRL gives you to relocate the clutch line bracket. It's pretty easy. Allen goes in here. They supply you with this. So this nipple goes in this little square hole down here where the 10 would be. Right here. And then this Allen goes in the hole that's countersunk because the Allen is supposed to mount flush. And you start it.
What's this gonna do?
This?
The wire.
It's an extension for the O2 sensor.
So now we are done. And so we got the PRL 3-inch front pipe matched with the PRL downpipe. All the hardware is in. If you look over here,
Shut up, Siri.
Siri. You can see PRL Cold Air Intake with all the bracketry is in.
I'm curious to see what this sounds like because I had installed previously a Greddy SP exhaust without the muffler, so it's the louder version of it. It only has the resonator. And now that he has the high flow downpipe, curious to see what it's gonna sound like because these cars really wake up in noise when you do the downpipe.